One day my parents brought this guy home. He's tiny and he behaves. Just at the beginning though. Not anymore. He toilet guards me. He hacked my secret places and stole my bags. Harasses my human. He makes good cookies and challenges me. Fine, he's cute.